What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to meet up with some more YouTubers out in Ann Arbor. So I got invited by The Real Tez. He invited me to come out there. He's another ZL1 owner. I'm interested to see his car in person again because he got some work done to it. He got it wrapped. I think it looks spectacular. Plus he did another mod today. So I'm about to go check out his car along with other Camaro owners, Blueprint, 1LE, Taz Grinding will be there, and a few others too. We invited more muscle car people, so the group chat been popping off today. So I'm about to head there now and see what we're about to get into. But before I do, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. Look at the sky. It's forecasted to rain, and the rain did come. You can see the puddle on the ground, and it was supposed to still be raining. These meteorologists, man, need to go back to school or learn something new because this ain't working out. So almost canceled our plans, but we're back at it. About to do it rain or shine at this point, so let me head there. It's about a 40-50 minute drive. That's what I'm talking about, man. Just washed my car yesterday. As soon as I pull it out, rain. Cars here, still staging up. Mainly Camaros and the GT350 little frame. All these Camaros here.
Man, I'm here.
Still waiting on the start of the show.
I'm like, this dude acting a fool, man.
The loudest guy in the world right here.
Yeah,
the loudest guy in the world right here.
Hey, that loud dog. Q, you is loud, bro. Your pops louder than all our pops.
Are you serious, man?
Your pops are louder than everybody pops.
Man, he lying, bro. He got headers. He got headers and everything.
Man, what's going on, Blueprint?
Man, I can't call it, man. It's a nice day to see you again. A nice day to be out, too.
It seems like forever, man.
I know, right? Yeah.
And got the Blueprint mobile right here.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep it clean, man. I hit a little bit of rain, but I mean it came off too. Maybe that's a good wax job I put on there.
You know what I'm saying?
Man.
I put my little shine on there. You know what I'm saying?
What?
I put my little shine on there so the
This
rain
guy,
ain't
man.
get.
You need to be a detailer, man. This dude forever washing his car. Going to the track. Man, let me detail it. Let me detail it.
Nah, it's cap.
Okay, look, there's
Cap.
never another black car out here. There's never another black car, but you know what I'm saying? This dude talking about his car, but it look like this even when he don't wash it. So,
Bro, but look, I got the cheat code though. Like the cheat code is, you know, I got it TP'd up. Like you can see it dirty right here though.
bro,
Like you can see it dirty right here a little bit. Yeah, go ahead. It's so easy, man. All you gotta do is hold the camera. I got it. Look at this
The
guy.
photographer Jackson right
Look
here.
at this guy vlogging. Everybody got cameras out here. This the new thing.
Right.
But yeah, we made up to the top. We waited for a few more people up here. I think we got about.
hey, Q, I was having too much fun on that parking structure coming up.
I heard you, man. I'm like, dog, I bet
Oh, you heard me all from the bottom?
Dog, I'm like, that's Taz. I'm like, he probably like 4 levels down.
Bro, I just started. I was coming up. I was like, hey, look, I did it first. I was like, whoa. I was like, okay. I was like, I'm echoing through the whole thing.
That junk was loud. Your car is loud, man.
It's not that loud, bro.
I'm gonna report you.
It's not that loud.
Dog. That's how I feel about my car, man. My car.
Okay, look. Okay, my car will be louder than yours, but your pops are louder than everybody pops here. Your pops, though, it's different. Like, I drive behind you, and your pops are loud. Like, Ant Jug is like little firecrackers. You know what I'm saying? It's not like little firecrackers. You know, look. Your jump be like bombs going off, and my jug is like gunshots. So, mine like gunshots, his like bombs.
Okay, so we got a war going on.
But I think it's probably the loudest out here so far, just getting loud though.
Yeah, your car is definitely the loudest. When we together, it's like earplugs, please. With the GT350. Let me look at these wheels, man. This is a What year is this?
16.
16. Okay, there we go. Got the better rims on it, man.
Got 10K on it.
10K?
Yeah, I bought it with a K about like 6 months ago. I put $9,000 on it so far in like 6 months.
Driving it, man.
Yeah, I'm trying to enjoy it, so.
That's what it's made for, man. Hope you're getting high up in the revs.
Oh, we're bringing it out every time.
There you go, man. I'm a Thunder. Go check him out. I hate GT350s. I don't know what you're talking about.
You hate it.
Let me get me away from this car, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you just attracted to it though.
hey, I'm trying to like, man, my people need to see some stuff, man, like the different wheels, slotted and rotor, slotted drill, blah,
That's what I
blah.
want next. I want some drilled and slotted rotors. No, they not slotted, but they drilled.
Drill, there we go.
I
Got
want
the
some.
2-piece.
I like the look too. I like the fashion. You know, it's functional, but you know, I like the look.
Yeah. I'm all about the looks, man. I don't need that performance.
I only got good haters because I wanted to be loud, but it came with performance. So.
Yeah, so I be the same way, man. I did the cold air intake so I can hear my supercharger.
It's cool to be fast, but you know, I like to look good, and the fast just come with it, so I be looking good and going fast. So.
There you go. My man. And who car is this over here? Ooh. You see it glistening in the sun. If you don't, you a lie. Hold on, let me put this on manual focus mode, man. You gotta see this. Hold on, let's focus. The carbon fiber. Lord have mercy. You got a Hummus Thunder right here. He don't have a car channel. He got a Call of Duty channel, man. But subscribe anyway. I'm about to talk him into starting the car channel because he got the car to do it with. And then we're looking at this rare thing right here. It's a 2022 Wild Cherry tank coat. And this, next to the Z01, this is the one. If I had to do it all over again and didn't get a Z01, this is it. The 1LE, but not just any 1LE. I need something. But here's the thing. Like the ones without sunroof, they get these body lines coming through it right here. And let me go to mine real quick. It's just all smooth up here. So you get a smooth roof up here. No body lines. But yeah, I see, man, my guy got the carbon fiber gas cap. And this is the 2SS 1LE. So you got the heated and cooled seats. This is it. This is all you need. All you need in the car. Same options, but I'm gonna see if I can do a video on this thing, man. The 2SS 1LE, that's the Camaro that's the one I recommend. Special. And there's everything the Camaro has to offer at a cheaper price than the Z01, if you don't need the speed.
Fire, man.
Real Taz, what's going on, man?
Oh man.
You good?
Yeah, we done finally made it damn near after 2 hours. Niggas done popped their tire, all type of shit, man.
Cause you was on the way like a long time ago.
Long time ago, bro. My man had the wide body scat. His tire had he hit a damn pothole, popped the tire and bent the damn rim.
Oh damn! I just bought a tire warranty yesterday on my Z01, man.
For shit like that,
Yep.
Michigan, bro, these damn potholes.
It's terrible, man.
Terrible.
Got the black wheels on here. This black set it off too. Man. Oh, we got the door handles black too. The real Taz.
Hey, Q, this right up your alley, ain't it?
Yeah, man. Hey, wait, what with me? This black.
Right up your alley, right here. You like the cars?
Dang, what size are these exhaust pipes, man? Them boys big.
You gotta see it in person, man.
And then you got the white reflector coming down.
Yeah,
Plus the front splitter, tow hook. You got the Z01 right
You
there
can't
too.
do nothing without being a car, man.
And my sister was like, "Who car is that?" She was like, "That's a girl car." I was like, "No."
Everybody back in that too. It's a real car.
Oh man, that is hard right there, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I would definitely do this. Like this is right up my alley, man. All the black accents. Got the Chevy badge on. The ZL1s, all those whited out.
Hey, that's all good.
Yeah, man. This is not a girl's car. This is. I like this. About to get the photo shoot started right now. So we're about to organize the cars and all that. So we got about a good 20 more minutes up here. So I'm about to see where we need to line the cars at to get the best shot with them all. Go follow us all, man. Blueprint, in the front, Taz be grinding. 2SS time. 10 lifetime. I'm Miss Thunder again. Yours truly. Lined up.
Ty coming up to hit another one
So we downtown Ann Arbor. You know me, Q the Troll. You know what colors I wore today? Gray and scarlet. Ohio State, baby.
Go home.
You can't be chanting Ohio State.
Ohio State, baby.
Go home. Go home.
I gotta ride that scooter, man. We got the drone in the air. It's a virtual reality drone, man. Who flying that thing? VR over here, man. He's not playing around. Messing with the drone.
This is fire, man. Mike, can we get this clip for the studio?
Is it facing? Hey, can you see me right now?
All right, there we go. Wow.
Can you see him?
Yeah. So that's in the VR right there. That's what we see, man. That's crazy.
Maybe I should go get me a little bit.
Hit you with that crossover. Yeah, there's some friends. I never noticed this inside here. Some kind of little intricate design up in there. Makes the lights look like they're on more, but it's just the DRLs. Got them flickering everywhere. All of them flickering like that. That's what they do. Because the frame rates of the camera, I got 24 frame rate. My video is 24. That's movie frame rate. So that's why you see the flicker like that. If it was 60 frame rate, it would be more smooth. That's what the phone shoots in. That man working. Oh, damn, I don't handle it, man.
I know, hey,
G.
I know his feet hurt. Your feet got hurt. I know those feet hurt.
His feet hurt. I got sandals on.
At this point, I don't know what we're doing, but we out here having fun. So we're rearranging the cars again, and I'll throw that after this if we ever get it settled. But that's what this is, just a fun video, chill with other cars. People like myself, mainly Camaros, got Mustangs, Challengers, 300 up there, the wide body scat pack, blew a tire on the way here. So hopefully they get up and running again. So those 305s are hard to find. So well wishes for them. So with that being said, I'm Q checking out. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out. Yeah, we still coordinating, not live to y'all. So we about to get this ZL1s next to each other, followed by maybe the two 1LEs or the two Mustangs. Then we got two 10-speeds. We up top looking down on it now. Close enough, man. We over here diminishing returns. We just about to get lined up, snap the photo, go home. So this is about to be dark in like 10 minutes. All right, so this is the final lineup.
No more pictures, bro. I'm walking through the cars. No.